You might think, and if you know that an MP3 based video is the best thing for you to create, why don't you just create one and then record it on your phone and then put it up as a video? Like, why don't you turn the camera on your phone on, turn the video on, the MP3 based video, and let it play on your phone? Well, this is why. I'm recording this right now on my Braille Sense 6, whom I affectionately call Sammy. And if this is anything like what it's been in the past, this does not sound natural. Like, this sounds like you're recording from TV or from some kind of a big speaker type thing. It's just not natural. And I don't necessarily want my videos sounding like that. Now, this could be completely not the case. I could go back and, I'm going to go ahead and post this no matter what. But I could go back and listen to this and go, wow, where the hell's this little hack been all my life? This is what I'm going to do. Or I might be like, yep, see, I told you. It's all in the sound. Because I always say, if you want perfect picture, you're watching the wrong YouTube channel. If you want good sounding videos, this is the place. So I don't want you to listen to a video that sounds like, frankly, it's being recorded off of a big-ass TV, like, as I play with different sounds and experiment with different things, you might understand what I mean, but is there a way for me to create an MP3-based video and then record it using my phone and then throw that up? Possibly. My tendency is to doubt it, but then my tendency is to doubt a lot of things. Maybe it would work, or maybe it wouldn't. Let's experiment. Here's part one. I just recorded using Sammy, and I'll probably play this using Sammy and record it on my phone. And whatever picture is there while I'm sitting there or standing there, that's what your picture is. And this is what is going up today. And what's this sound like to you? I'll listen to it and see what it sounds like to me.